folks. Gather around the radio set. Road Dawg Crypto's the keenest thing yet. Gee whiz, honey, gather around the radio set. Road Dawg Crypto's the keenest thing yet.
We're the hip cats with the alpha that's free.
No 99 fee, just come swing with me. From the jukebox dreams to the digital jive. Road Dawg's the cat's meow that makes my heart thrive. Oh, Road Dawg Crypto, ooh-ah, ooh-ah.
Smash that like button, let the good times roll.
Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, so true.
Super chat us, we'll swing back at you.
Become a member, join the swell gang. Buy some road coin, hear the cash registers clang. Oh, we're live every night around 10:30 time. Hang with the hip cats, learn the crypto rhyme. Send a super chat, get your coin analyzed. Road Dawg's the spot where the hip cats prize. If the membership, spread the love so wide. Road Dawg Crypto's the cat's meow inside. The pack's growing strong, feel the jive.
Road Dawg's the way to thrive.
Oh,
Road Dawg Crypto, ooh-ah, ooh-ah. Smash that like button, let the good times roll.
subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, so true.
Super chat us, we'll swing back at you.
Become a member, join the swell gang. Buy some road coin, hear the cash registers clang. Gobble up the gains, don't be a square and miss. Like sub chat super, seal it with a kiss. Kiss,
Road Crypto.
What good is a chart without the green? What good is a pump if it's just a dream? What good is a dip if you sell in fear? What good is a moon if it never appears? It don't mean a thing.
Do up, do up, do up.
It ain't got that swing.
Do up, do up, do up.
It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that Bitcoin swing.
It don't mean a thing. All you got is a sad little thing. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that Bitcoin swing. Do I, do I, do I, Bitcoin swing.
What good is a wallet without the stack? What good is a hodl if you crack? What good is a hodl if he's full of bluff? What good is a trade if you ain't tough? It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that Bitcoin swing.
It don't mean a thing. All you got is a sad little thing. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that Bitcoin swing. Do I, do I, do I, Bitcoin swing. Scat da ba ba da ba, Bitcoin swing. Scat da ba ba da ba, let it ring. Scat da ba ba da ba, feel the thing. Scat da ba ba da ba, Bitcoin swing. Yeah.
There's a night in crypto when the candles start to burn. You feel the FOMO rising and your stomach starts to churn. You're about to break out heavy, thinking this is your big score. But the wick goes straight to hell and you're down forevermore. Night in crypto, night in crypto. The chart is calling, don't you know? Night in crypto, night in crypto. One more candle, let it go. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba, shoot-be-doo-wah. Dip-ba-dip-a-dip, don't you fall too far. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba, shoot-be-doo-wah. One more leg up, that's the law. Night in crypto, night in crypto, night in crypto. There's a night in crypto when the bears begin to growl. You tell yourself just one more, but you're already fouled. You average down the dip, praying for the bounce, but the market keeps on laughing ounce by ounce by ounce. Night in crypto, night in crypto.
Make it a little cowbell. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourself for the turkey.
For those of you out there that are hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, frogs and squirrels, welcome to Late Night Crypto with Road Dawg. So happy to have you here with me tonight as we take a look at Bitcoin charts, try to figure out what the hell it's trying to do. She looking choppy. She not looking too happy at the moment. Even here on the smally time frames here, it's just starting to go down. Why you going down, Bitcoin? What's going on, baby? Maybe we ought to zoom out just a little bit because that gives us a little bit of perspective and hopefully a little bit of insight on what the hell the Bitcoin thinks it is trying to do over here. We're going to switch over to the daily chart real quick. Reminding ourselves that, hey, we got a pattern that says we should be going up. We got a trend line that says we should be going up. We got some moving averages that are getting kind of tired, but we bounced off of them, so we should be going up. And we're just kind of hanging out. Yay. Well, that just solves everything right there now, don't it? Don't it? Let me come to a chart that I haven't mucked up too much. You know what? Uh-oh, what can we do? I just gotta get rid of some of this stuff. We gotta see a little bit more clear over here. How's that? Does that work better? So the cool thing, well, you're different. You're the one that's different. Do we need a new Bitcoin chart? Oh, this is you. All right, we'll stick in here. All right, so I like that we're above support here, but gosh darn it, man. We just got to be patient, I suppose. We lost the 9 moving average here on the daily, and that's kind of a bad thing. But we lost it several days ago. Now we're trying to that's the green line right here, 9 moving average, and it's rolling over. Now the 21 just recently crossed the 50, and that's hopeful, but it kind of signals that we may be coming back down there. So wow, you feel me? So I'm kind of wondering. I mean, we haven't been able to get past this first area over here, 92.3. I've got a call out there for 95, but that could take a long time to happen. We can take this trend line now that we had there and bring it over here and see that we do have, a pretty nice little angle trying to build there now at these wicks and candle bodies. It's got a little bit of a breakthrough over here. We may have to incorporate that, but just going mostly to the candle bodies, I'm kind of cool with this idea, and we're above it, so cross our fingers we don't break below that little guy again, because that would be kind of sucky suck. This is the 4-hour chart, and I'm just checking out our moving averages. Now here, we're flirting with losing the 9 on this chart. If you look over on the regular candles, it's flirting with losing it over there too. Don't want to see it lose it. Don't want to see it lose it. But it wouldn't be bad if we did come down to touch the 21 moving average, but we don't have to, and I hope that it doesn't, because we need to respect this trend line right here as much as possible. But there is support down about 90,000, 8,500-ish, somewhere through there. Hey, do we have a liquidation heat map? I haven't looked at this in a minute. Let's go check this little guy out. Let's see what this is saying. Let's change it to the last 12 hours here. It's got a lot of liquidity down here, about 90,400-ish, and some coming in right around 92.1, 92.5-ish is what they're kind of calling for. That would be cool. That would be right up here in this little area. I thought we erased this thing before, didn't we? And I believe, is that something about the same? Yeah, they got so down to 90,006 is what they've got going on over here. That would be, right in this area. That's it, right at the 21 moving average. So a lot of people, I guess, are looking at the 4-hour 21 moving average. So it may kind of seem, I would guess, because that's all it is a guess. I don't have anybody at the exchanges. That's exactly what's happening, sir. They are looking at that 21 moving average. We just got the tip today. Nothing like that. Pardon me just a moment. It gets a little staticky around here sometimes. Whoa, I think we're back. No, we're not back. I lied. We're not back. We're back. Hey, here we are again. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Let's come over and say hello to the chat. Stop talking about Bitcoin right now. Start talking about you guys. You guys are awesome. What's going on, everybody? How we feeling today? How we feeling tonight? My tiny account is still getting tiny chopped up, and I'm kind of tiny pissed about it. We got Silver Days in the house. How's it going, Silver Days? You are number one, my man. Let me know if the music is too loud. It's kind of loud in my ears, but hey. I like everything that you're saying right there, Silver Days. That's awesome. And some good ass coffee. Well, I think it is about that time for us to have a word from our sponsor. Keeps me up all damn night.
The morning's gray. The clocks are full.
Let's change the name to Home Record.
The world outside moves slow, so slow. But there's a spark, a golden glow. Good ass coffee's here, Oh, the best part of waking up is good ass coffee in your cup.
Didn't turn the music off, Sean. Sean, you're supposed to turn the music off. Folks, I apologize. We have an incompetent producer on this show. Not pointing names, naming any names or anything, but someone named Sean kind of sucks around here. How's it going, everybody? We got Dave P in the house. How's it good? How you doing, Dave? Good to see you, my man. Road Dawg's in the house. Are you ready? Why you're not here if you're not ready? The LG Motorsports. How's it going, my man? I don't know if you're seeing me right now or not, but hey, man, shout out to you for just hanging out, man. Just being a good supporter. Thank you, my man. Blue Collar Trader says, hey, y'all. Well, hey, Blue Collar Trader, how you doing tonight? We got Sin. How's it going, Sin? Good to see you, my man. Ave Medina, the first burst. He said first. And a bonus. John. We got Strega, my OG right there. How's it going, Strega? How you doing? When I'm on my yacht and in my Lambo, I like to listen to Road Dawg Crypto music. Says Ave, how's it going, man? And all this stuff is from the intro here. At 2025, True, who I think is Soul, sent 1 Road Dawg membership. Ooh, and Joe received it. Hey, Joe, you got the membership. Thank you, my man. Thank you, Soul. Shout out to you. Or 2025, True. Hey, there we go. And shout out to Joe, Trade Intuition. He's a fellow YouTuber here on YouTube. You need to go see him. And also, Meet Damien got a membership there. Meet Damien, also a fellow YouTuber here. Awesome. Always says, don't you wish your boyfriend was hot like me? 2025 says, I'm glad he is. Glasshopper says, good evening, all. Good evening, Glasshopper. How are we doing tonight? And we got King Hell. How's it going, King Hell? All right. Shout out to King Hell. Johnny December. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Subwoofer listening from the basement. Good to see you, Subwoofer. Glad to have you here. So the music's all right. Who's the new girl? Yeah, I just kind of picked her up tonight. You know, she's just doing some auditions and everything. I thought, well, okay, we'll set her out here, see how she does, if she can clean up tonight. You know what I'm saying? This cooter ain't free. Cooter is our meme coin, by the way. See. DP. With the Sean emojis. Well, everybody, so glad to have you here. Let's take a look at everything. So I'm on the 4-hour Bitcoin, hanging above the 4-hour, the 9 moving average here, stuck in the middle of a green cloud. It's kind of reverse from what I'm looking for here. So that's kind of nerve-wracking. We're fighting between the 21 and the 50 moving average, but it's that's so far we got that horizontal, that diagonal support that seems to be kicking in. Whether you want to look at it from the bodies, or if you want to draw it down to the WikiWix, that was one that kind of breached it. Could be a little sweep of the lows there before it took it back up. They're playing games. They want your Bitcoin. Is the commercial still on? There we go. All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look and see how our altcoins are doing. We can get into the news from Layer GG, and then we'll start looking at some altcoin charts here. The Dash is feeling a little frisky today. So on the hour, not much going on. On the daily for today, pretty much in the red, coming down to almost 3% in some cases. Not been a great day today on a Monday. But bringing us down a little bit for the week, except for this category over here, which is Islam coin. There's Melania. Some of you guys were looking at Melania. It went from 13 cents to 16, almost 17. VVV, how's that one? Okay, you're not the one I was thinking of, right? We'll come over here to the refresh this. The top winners and gainers in the top 300 here. And we see that Story's taking the nice turn. River's doing pretty good, I gotta say. Again, that one's the one that's kind of ate me up a little bit on my tiny account playing that one. That one's kind of volatile. Interesting that it's at $20 now, because it was around $12, $14 when we started kind of playing around with it there. Interesting. Monero is hitting some great highs here. I want to make a little list here. If you guys got a list of coins you want me to take a look at, because I'm open to look at anything, we can look at it. And I'm kind of just trying to see if we're at some good sell prices or we're at some good entry prices for any kind of possible trade setups. And I will check what has been moving just to see if there might be an entry or possible exit for some of you guys. Mix Finex. Well, you're starting to move a little bit. It's a little bit slow, but it does move. Is Rune coming back in? I have not. I gave up on Rune. Oh my gosh! Didn't they have some bad news and something? But it's still the chain is still okay, right? And of course, gold is going off the charts again. Pax Gold. We got plenty of things that are moving. The things that have not been doing so good, things have been coming down, like Continuum. I think that might have been up yesterday or something. I'm not sure, but it's down 38%. Lighter, LIT, down 20%. Virtuals is down, but it's right around $1. So Virtuals might be, it's down 10%. These are the ones that might have a little something to look at, right? So I want to take some notes of them. Render might be at a place. XCN's pulling back a little bit. Bartcoin pulled back. And XPL, that's kind of a popular choice between some of you guys too, right? Let's take a look at some of those. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is just take a look at our indices right now. Standard & Poor today, they had a decent day. They are still up in new all-time high category. They're doing hey, all right. Tech stocks and all that doing okay. I think what's hurting us is that Bitcoin dominance is starting to break through our trend line area. That's looking bullish. But that means that this is a bear trap and Bitcoin dominance starts getting a big pull up. That's going to hurt our altcoins. And we can probably see that over here with this. So altcoins, this pattern suggests that they need a big ass reversal here, right? Next target area is 860 billion. You might be looking for some shorts in altcoins. I'm just saying, it's not written in stone. I mean, you got the hope. I got the hope that this is a 382, and it is. That's our target. One of our targets. Oh crap! I do this every time. Let me see if I can mark you here. Hey, I marked it. And actually, we need to change you around. You're different now. I think you applied that way over there. Actually, this is our second target. We're down here. We're coming right back down to retest the breakout of this. If you're looking at it as a pattern trader, and that'd probably that'd make a lot of sense to you. Yeah, study Thomas Bukowski and everything. That this might be a bear flag that'd be taking us down to retest this triangle or triple bottom, however you want to look at it. We broke up to and go back up, and that would be cool. But this pattern here, harmonic fib pattern, suggests we would be coming down. And as much as we like this to be a support area that catches, it could just be the first target, right? But if it is doing something bullish, we would be looking around this area right over here. $973 billion total market cap if it's an A equals CD or the bullish scenario. So altcoins are kind of tricky right now is what this is telling me, ladies and gentlemen. And I think keeping the eye on the Bitcoin dominance will give us an indication of which way it's going to break up. And right now it looks like Bitcoin dominance is trying to do something bullish. So I'm going to just assume that this trend line That was from the wicks to the bodies, but we just go mainly to the bodies there. That was broken and retested, and probably if you come down smaller time frames and see it a little bit better there. Man, she's really holding that green line though, right? So caution when dealing with the altcoins or trying to FOMO in. And if you're in profit, probably not a good place to still, take some profit on those trades. Because if it does break down here, we start going for that lower low, they're on a downward trend for the next little bit, unfortunately. So that would be the warning that I would have that this chart's kind of telling me. Let's get it back to the 4 hour over here. So with that one in mind, let's take a look at some altcoins and look at them individually. I guess before we do, I would like to take one quick look at others just to see how it's holding up. Shaky, we're in the middle of a green cloud, which usually puts us down, and we do have this box area kind of marked for where it could come into down here. 207 to 212 billion. We're at 217 billion now. Elliot seems to think different, so, definitely could be wrong here. I just see resistance that we're below right now, so caution. I hope Elliot's right, though. I hope he's right on that.
Gone yesterday when flags no longer fly.
I can't get out of here. It won't. Oh, yeah, this goes. It's our main window. Oh, frog in my throat. Dollar in my pocket. All right, let's take a look at some coins over here. First of all, I want to take a look at the river. The river. If it'll work. Look at you, you little bastard. Sorry, excuse the language. You tearing through our targets like they're butter. Oh, we already did that, didn't we? Already got that little guy there. I didn't realize how strong this dang trend line was right there. For this coin, river. What is, I gotta keep reminding myself, what is this guy? I know it's tied to real world assets. Oh, your market cap's still kind of small. For some reason, I thought it had a much bigger market cap. It's $395 million market cap. That's still your small cap market. Total supply of 100. I kind of like that. I do not have any of this on spot whatsoever. And I kind of wish that maybe, oh no, that coulda, shoulda zone. I should have done it. I should have did the woulda, coulda, and the did it, whatever. I should have done it. All-time low was $1.58. 4 months ago, this thing's up almost 1,200% there. I gotta go see what this is. I gotta check her out. This is River. It cannot provide a connection for me. Are we still okay? Well, that's not a good sign. We can go to the white paper, but well, that's not good. Well, I'm not going to spend too much time here, but that's kind of a. What do you got going on Twitter? We were supposed to do the news, and I got sidetracked again. I hadn't gotten the habit of doing the news again. Well. All right. Well, we're gonna have to do our due diligence on this. But on the 4 hour, how you looking over here? Man, I think are we still in? Still looks pretty strong. We got a secondary trend line coming in right there. Oh, we're still on it. I'm still in. Actually, hopefully that will help my tiny account. So, or kill my tiny account, because River giveth and then River taketh right back sometimes, I have found. It's my fault, either going too big on my position or too much on my leverage for my stop loss. I'm getting stopped out too much. So I have a tiny account over on Ourbit that I trade here on the show. And I recommend trying a small ass account, like $100 account. That will really make you take a strong look at your strengths and weaknesses as a trader. I think it'll open your eyes up to a lot of things that you need to take care of. It's definitely an eye-opening experience every time I freaking do it. It's very difficult to grow a small account like that. And it's the education that you get from it, I think, is pretty much priceless, just to tell you. All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, River looks kind of interesting there. Let's take a look at... I'll take a look at Rune, since that one's starting to come back into the equation. What's going on with you, Rune? Man, I mean, you've been decimated. Not looked at this one in a minute. Look at you. You in a scary place, my friend. You're in a scary place. Well, if you're going to bounce, you need to do it, and you need to do it here. So we haven't been this cheap since COVID back in 2020 for Rune. After COVID, during that glorious bull run in 2021, Rune did hit $21. I mean, imagine going from 58 cents to $21. That's got to be kind of awesome. It doesn't mean that that's what's about to happen at all, though, sadly. And it's had its share of ups and downs. That's a good protocol, but I don't know. They made some stupid choices there a little bit, too. Let's double check you. Right here. You got the same... Is it the same one? That's amazing. There's some confluence. That's harmonic right there. It's at the very exact same fib from this pull and from this pull. I'll take that as a sign from... We're on the weekly chart. Let's come over to the daily. See what Rune's looking like. There might be something here. Would there be some divergence here on this daily? Would it be on something... could we see it better on something like a 3-day or a weekly? Here we go. Do we got divergence here on the weekly? Yeah, there is some. It's not the... I mean, it could be better, but it qualifies. So you need to be using that divergence over here. What the hell is this saying? Okay. That's good. 3 days going... What are you doing on the weekly? The weekly. Oh, check this out. Check this out. Right here, we got the green dot on the weekly. Got the green dot on the weekly. What happened? We kept going down week after week. That's gotta piss some people off. And what's crazy, MACD flip bullish too. We still get... I would be pissed off at indicators right there. That's where you get the people saying, these indicators don't work. All right, so weekly, we're not above the 9 moving average yet, but I kind of like Rune, what I'm seeing here. We're above it on the... No, we're not, but we have been on the daily. Oh, to put this in my radar, I think we might have something to watch right here. I see some areas of support here. You got the green dot on the daily right here, the little buy signal. Stochastics going up. Those are looking good. Stochastics look interesting, like they could have some more upside there. I'm coming down to the 15 minutes to see what you're doing right now. She's on a little bit of a pullback right now. Really, Rune? Are you pulling back on us? Have we got something here? Do we have something here? I'm just going to go to the wicks. So I can't see what the bodies look like over here too good. But it looks like we got a retest here. I see a possible Good idea. I see a ribbon flipping here on the 15-minute. I see a curve here that I kind of think is a little sexy because curves are sexy, right? And we see some curve there. Sean said side boob. It wasn't me. It was him. Could we be doing an A, B, C, D? Had we bounced off of there? So many interesting thoughts are in my head right now for this one. 618 area is not perfect though, so I don't trust it as much. That's just me though. I'm going to zoom out because zooming out's always good when you're trying to make a bigger plan over here. And what were you again? What were you? A 6-1? Or yeah. Might have found one.
They promised the moon with a wink and a lie, all kinds in my pocket. Felt so
I think we might have found one. At 8.6 level would be the special sauce go right there. That would be the sweet spot. Right at that 70 cents. Awesome. We like that. 61 being the next target. We've already been at one time, so it should go through it. Actually, I would probably just go ahead and move it up to that next level there at the 0.5 if you're looking to take profit. Should need to come. It should break this right here. If it doesn't, then well, that's not really what we're looking for, is it? And then, of course, this guy right here. What do we got here? Is there something worth playing? We're about 60 cents right now. 63 would be a nice little target, short term, with the hopes that we will pivot right here about 65. That's about 7 to 10%, so leverage would need to be involved to take advantage of that idea. Unless you're doing spot and holding it for a bigger play, and you think this one can get back up to some of its glory days that it had, bouncing off these bottom ideas over here. That you know, what if it gets back to $1.50 or $2 and somewhere through there? Just to come back up to $1 is not bad. Looking kind of interesting there, Rune. I'm back on the 15-minute now after looking at that, thinking, do I want to take a chance with Rune? I don't know if I want to at the moment. I gotta see what it's going to do over here, right? Where did he pull back to? Ah, crap. I screwed that one up. I think this music is too mellow for me tonight. It's spilling me out, man. Mm-hmm. I think we might see this area about 57.5, just a little bit of a pullback, and we'll probably be looking at it coming back to test the trend line right here in this area. So that'd be a lower high that we just made right there. Possibly is what I'm looking at. Possibly, I may be totally wrong on this. So. I like what it's doing with those moving averages. 200 is still down here though, and the bigger ones are in reversed order, so that in a bearish order. So Yeah, I'm kind of leaning toward 57. I don't see one to post just right now. Let me come over to the chat. We were supposed to go to the news, and I forgot. Another spider. Oh, is it? I wasn't looking for that little guy. If I put eyeball, not exactly the same thing that we had the other night, but better get something that looks similar. Johnny December says music is epic. I think we're into the 40s, back into the 40s right now. That's what I've been working on recently, is the 40s. Came for the TA, stayed for the T and A. And we got some T and A. Where's this coming from? Trying to make sure there's not any hanging out over here or something like that. That's happened before. Is there a lady in chat? Sometimes there are. Is that why you're so modest tonight? Oops. Well, we are rated at PG-13. And I think we qualify for PG-13. We're not in the hard R territory. Spider eyes between the legs of the W. Oh, you mean on this one? A little different way. We can put eyeballs on it, but it's a little different from the ones I put eyeballs on before. What I do like about it is the expanding of this idea. Are we in the expansion phase of a... Well, I had you in a bullish pattern. I don't want to get too bearish on it. This is a nice rounding. This is a nice little thing. Some people call that a cup and handle, although I do not believe that. I get the scallop. Cup and handles are continuation patterns. Meaning it coming from the top, mean that coming should go to the downside if you're playing by the cup and handle rules. But I was taught that too in my group until I finally learned the difference between some of that stuff. Thomas Bukowski, I'm telling you, if you're a pattern trader and you don't know him, well, that's where you're going to get your true education, I believe. Otherwise, you're just regurgitating whatever other YouTuber is just telling you that that's how it is. And a lot of them don't know, man. Especially if they learn from another YouTuber that didn't know but acted like he knew. Who'll believe that guy and what he made up? All right, well, let's take a look at virtual. Oh, virtual. Dumpty. Oh, 36 minutes. Let's go to the 4 hour. Nice. Okay, what we got going on over here? Lost the main trend line. It lined up with these lines right there. You guys can't see this as good, I don't think. Maybe we should just get to the big screen. That little line right there, drug it up there and lost that. It went sideways. And sometimes that's a bullish sign, and then of course it doesn't always have to. It's not always, is it? So she finally broke down here. I don't see a good thing for you. What's going on? She never came up to the 618. See a retest there. That's good. Got the bounce off of it. That's normal. May just be retesting that previous fib level. There's a support resistance area just right down below it. Usually that fib nails it, but it didn't this time. 50 moving average, 21 moving average is also coming in right down here. I don't think I know it right there. It is. That's about 88 cents. We're at 94. We might come back down and retest that. We could come all the way back down and retest this area right here. Because she never doesn't look like she got a solid retest down there. It could. That would be kind of drastic, but it doesn't have to happen. Hopefully we're not going to do like we did here and just keep on going. but it could be. Could be. Other indicators looking not good. You know, in some of these coins, it might be a good idea to actually look at that. That's getting ready to roll over on the daily. That doesn't look healthy at all. Might be a good idea to look at some of this stuff on the bigger time frames. Weekly looks good. So we just got a local scare. Weekly's looking good, but it's tired right now. Virtuals looks like she's got bigger time frames are suggesting it can come back down lower. I hope not. You did that. That was good. You got this, and that's good. And going bodies to bodies, just got a channel above there. I hope you don't come down too far. All right, so I don't see an entry for virtuals, but it seems to be getting rejected from where we on the 3-day or 50 moving average. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour is a good one to kind of really see what's going on locally. We came up to 800, 600, and those are big top moving averages, and now we're getting rejected from it, man. Looked like we were holding it, right? Well, that puts the 360 as the place to be looking at. That 88 cents is coming in on this one, so if you're might be a short to take if it gets a little bounce back up in a retest, or if it goes back toward $1 and get a little short to come down to 88. That'd be one possibility, or lower if it goes lower. Well, bummer. Thought we had one. We were going to do the news, and you keep forgetting. Should we do the news? Let's go get the news from Layered GG. Let me see if he's got something. He's got something new. Take it to the newsroom. Let's get the news set up over here. Okay. Okay. Are we ready? I think we're ready here. We'll get back in the grind on this at some point. All right. And the news. And this was put out 21 hours ago. We didn't read it last night. I don't think it was out when we were streaming last night. But the DOJ is threatening the Fed with criminal charges for refusing to follow President Trump's interest rate demands. X to launch smart cash tags for real-time tracking. Let's go. Let's look a little bit. X is launching smart cash tags that allow you to specify the exact asset or smart contract next month to enable real-time price tracking and specific asset identification directly from the timeline. Well, that's interesting. Okay. TrueBit protocol suffered a 26.6 million exploit due to a smart contract. Making sure my sound is on. Looking at the chat. Okay. All right. TrueBit suffered an exploit due to a smart contract vulnerability, causing its True token to plunge now almost 100%. Bug was in a 5-year-old purchase contract. Price fall allowed minting billions of True for almost zero. Oh, that's horrible. See, anything can freaking happen, man. And a lot of times it does. That's the bad thing, and something that you think is... That's it. All right, Dine. What do we got here? XRP Ripple secured key regulatory approvals from the UK's FCA, including an EMI license and crypto asset registration. The firm's approval comes one day after the FCA shared new details about the permissions required for firms seeking to conduct regulated crypto asset activities in the country when its new regulation commences in 2027. pump.fun plans to change creator fees. Elon is back. Where is that? Let's go check that. Oh, you didn't have anything to say about it? Okay. IMU announces TG token generation event on January 22nd, and Mega ETH NFTs will be live on OpenSea. Stablecoin firm Rain raised a Series C and reached $1.95 billion in valuation. BNY, a bank, debuts tokenized deposits for institutional clients. AI16Z raises $15 billion for U.S. tech leadership. NASDAQ and the CME deepen crypto investing partnerships. And Vitalik Buterin, 3 pillars for a better decentralized stablecoins. I believe that's something he must have put out. It was down here. Or not. This is a little jumbled. This is Bank of New York, the world's largest custodial bank with nearly $58 trillion in assets under custody, is launching tokenized deposits for institutional investors to enhance settlement efficiency. The platform mirrors client balances on the private blockchain to enhance settlement speed and liquidity management. And Andreessen Horowitz has raised $15 billion in new capital to bolster its leadership in AI, defense, and emerging technologies, AI16Z. This capital will be focused on investments to ensure America wins key future technologies such as AI and crypto, and to apply these technologies to critical areas that drive human flourishing, including biology, health, defense, education, and more. The ultimate goal is to secure America's technological dominance for the next 100 years. Thereby preserving and strengthening the American system that gives opportunities to people around the world. All right, well, that's it for the news. Let's see if we can get back to our regular screen over here. Sean? Sean's not hearing me. Sometimes you have to do things yourself.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Something seems to be off over here. I got no information on my stream how many people's here or anything. That's interesting. Oh, there we go. Now it's 25 people hanging out. Thank you for being here, everybody. Let's go back and let's start getting into some of these charts. Bitcoin starting, or not Bitcoin, virtuals dropping. She's still at the same price. That's still 90. What is this? 4-hour time frame? That look nasty. Let me come over to the chat here. How we doing, chat? Time Trade, wish I were here earlier. Did he say anything about why Bitcoin's so slow and dead? I don't know why it's so slow and dead. I just tell you what the charts say, that it's in a shaky period, and we're probably not through the turbulence just yet. I do expect it to work its way back up to 95.5's target I'm going with. Other people got different targets. Some not as high, some a little higher. Right now in the 4-hour, you can see our indicators are trying to confirm this red dot and drive all the other indicators like stochastic ribbon here down, money flow coming down. To me, I think, honestly, I need more blank charts. That's what I think. What's this? Do I have this one? See if I add this. Yeah, okay, we'll add this one to our list there. I'm adding some more Bitcoin charts. I have a fresh chart to look at. All right, so this is 4-hour for Bitcoin. So the question I got, we got the 360 moving average coming down. Is this 200? It doesn't look like it's crossing at all. It's just going sideways. Price comes down, is it going to make a big rollover? Is that going to start bringing us down? That would suck. So, and a lot of people looking at it as a bear flag idea, and they may be right. I mean, we are technically tick the boxes for a bear market. We have ticked them. We're just still in that is a disbelief phase. But where we might have this chance to bounce back. So we're all paying attention to the 50 moving average on the weekly, basically. In a nutshell, is what everybody's kind of doing in that area, or however they seem to have calculated it. But why is it moving so slow? Well, what I'm hoping for Bitcoin is that we'll keep respecting this 618 and try to come up here to this area. Or these two areas right here, 96 and 97 that's trying to do that. We have got no guarantees that it will. The higher high target, well, that's in line with the other stuff I was looking at. Was the that's what the target was. It was the 113. So that's actually the point that I've been looking for based on fib harmonics. But there's still a chance for 2 other higher targets there, also based on the harmonics, just depending on what we do. If we get rejected there or not. But right now, yeah, she's just kind of choppy. She's above the 9 crosses 21. I'm talking about the moving averages, so that's good. But yeah, there's nothing popping off yet. But that's okay. I mean, today was Monday, so a little bit of a shake-up day, not as much. See what tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday should make things a little bit more interesting. The market gets slow when something is happening. Oh, well, we got CPI coming out tomorrow. That's actually one of the biggest things I was going to mention tonight. To expect volatility tomorrow. CPI coming out I think it comes out in the morning. We just click the little flag button down here. It'll tell us. Core inflation, it comes out at 8:30 in the morning. So expect price, if it's going sideways, expect it to do one of the 2 things: either come up and then come back down and kind of level out, or do the opposite, come down, come back up, and kind of level out. That's just the old Fed heartbeat pattern right there, or announcement heartbeat. So trading, not a bad idea if you set tomorrow out, just to be honest with you. And judging by the range that they gave us, like you can easily see them, dip down here at 90,000, come back up to 92, or either any of the things, and we just kind of end right back up here around 91 tomorrow. It's kind of what I'm guessing. Or God forbid, lower, back in this area. More of this crap is what I'm seeing. I think it's time for some good-ass coffee. It's also time for me to, get our other sponsors some fair time here.
Crypto Cowboys, Moon or Alimony Bags. Subscribe to Road Dawg Crypto now. Like or bear eats you. Better call Road Dawg.
Objection. He didn't rug, he merely redecorated. Subscribe to Road Dawg Crypto or the SEC redecorates YOU.
She gets house, I keep ape. Fair?
No.
Big bankroll, just a lover's play. Bitcoin in my arms, chasing blues away from the jukebox.
Staring at all charts all day, like do something. Yeah, not much going on. It's been slower since last Thursday, says Scar Jesco. Let me come down a little bit further here. Just became confident with my TA to start trading too. It's like naturally, of course, so when I get good, it gets hardest. Yeah. And then you can go on the winning streaks and losing streaks, and my little tiny count's been on a losing streak lately. Just Scar Jesco says, hang in there, there is something big coming, just don't know when. Unfortunately, I'm 100% agree with Powell's statement, even though I disagree with him not cutting rates sooner. They don't have time for a lawsuit. Scar Jesco says, if it dumps, just be ready to grab the lows. Says, I want to raise $15 billion to support myself. How do they do that? I would like to know that secret too. So if we fall from 92,000 20%, we get the 72,000 mark, which is what they're calling for. Are people already calling for? But we haven't. I mean, I can't sit here and call for that just yet. Not until we get more confirmation. I mean, we just now put in a higher high over here, even though it was lit smaller, but we didn't come down and make a lower low yet. We made a higher low. And if I was looking at this in Elliott Wave speak, if this is a bottom over here, 80,000, and not a bear flag to take us lower, but still we should have some counts, and maybe we should go back and count. That would make more sense. But just assuming before I do that, that this is a new possible wave, a 1, 2, and then a possible 3 that would take us up higher back over here. Elliot, do you support that idea? What do you see? You see anything like that? Are you tripping? No, Elliot says, let it burn. Take it down. Elliot sees a correction here to take us down to around 80. You want to take us back to 86? Are you that bearish? 88 is kind of where we got support. Elliot's saying 88.9. Damn, Elliot, what is this? Okay, well that's it. Where are we at? We're over on OKX. And this goes back to 2025. So we don't have other stuff. Elliot's taking into account what's going on here. There is. Okay, I didn't see that. Elliot seems to think that we've just this moved down to 80,000 here on the 12 hour. Does it do it the same on the daily? Yeah, same on the daily. Well, that's worth taking a listen to. That was the end of our correction over here. So yeah, we should start making one, which is kind of what I was just talking about, where we get a 1 and then a 2, and then we go for a 3, and we got to come back. And your 4 wave is not supposed to touch this guy. There should be a gap between them. And then you look for your 5th wave, your next wave up. That's what price structure is supposed to do, Corneli wave. That's what I look for and stuff too. Just that basics right there helps you navigate stuff. So that tells me that, you know, we got a possible 3rd wave coming here. I kind of like that, Ellie. I usually don't like what you're talking about. You're usually full of crap, or we're just very wordy. So that kind of gives us the idea of this. That's some angle right there. Huh. Well, that's an interesting idea. I hadn't thought about that. I like that. Imagine, what if we are, Bitcoin is just in this, currently in this channel. And we go up to 132. I'm all for that. I'll tell you this, here on the daily chart, we're going through that big ass thick red cloud with the little green over here. We got the 9 cross, or we're below the 9, but we're going back up to it, trying to test it. 21 crossing the 50. So if we come down, I could see testing those guys. That's at 89.6, 89.5, and maybe testing the trend line. Maybe that gets us to that other Elliott wave thing. But this looks pretty good to me. That, and you got the green dot. You're on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. Kind of means that we might not go sideways tomorrow. Duck lips trying to form over here. You guys familiar with duck lips? We don't talk about it. I only hear it here on this channel, but duck lips, man. It's where these little lines here start curving around. We like the duck lips. That's bullish. Duck lips are bullish. Well, that makes me feel a little bit better. Yet it doesn't make me any richer at the moment. Here on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour. Was that where we were? No. 4 hour, we're still above the 9 moving average. This is the one we started out, or one of the ones we started out with, where it's kind of shaky. And I didn't like the color of the clouds. I remember that. But we're above the 9. For above the 9, we're doing fine. Why did we get back on Bitcoin? I thought we were looking at altcoins, man. I came to the chat and we ended up back on Bitcoin. And then some were calling for 54,000 also. I mean, if we're in a bear market, I'm sure that listen, the general rule, which may get broken, some of the rules have broken, but some of them may stay. The general rule that kind of seems to work out is that you don't go very much lower than your recent all-time high from the last cycle, which for us was around 65,000. So coming back to 60, 65,000 would be one of the first natural targets I would look for, just by this behavior of Bitcoin. If right now we found an area of support, till we lose it, I can't. I don't want to get scared and try to get too big of a bearish bias. I want to try to stay neutral. But yeah, it's possible. But we're also coming into 2026, and a lot of things are going on globally with the markets trying to and midterm elections and all that stuff. So stocks are going to probably do pretty good, and that'll probably pour into crypto too. So you got to take into account some of those things too. And hard to see how we're going to go into the bear market when that happens. But one never knows. All I know is that we got higher highs and higher lows lately on this channel idea. Right there. Kind of pointing at 92. 92.5, 92.6. This is MYX over here. You trying to do something? Double bottom area right here. Let's go down this little double bottom here. Where'd you come down to? I'm on a 1 hour chart. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You got anything going on here? This is starting looking interesting. I would at least expect it to want to come up and retest this area over here. That's about $8.75. We're almost at $6 now. So the question would be, right now we were curving up. Is it going to be a lower high and then we come back down for a bigger retracement? That could happen. Or we're trying to go for the higher high thing, and that's bullish AF. Maybe a little bit too bullish for right now. What we were seeing on Total 3 and everything else. Here on the old daily, I had a confirmed green dot. Money closing the green. That's cool. Duck lips. More duck lips. This looks good. I like that. Okay, now you're starting to talk to me a little bit. Are we going parabolic? And if so, where's our next target? It's back to the 742. And then, ooh, nice. 931. Bitcoin was rising, taking me higher. Felt like forever. The moon just inside, but the flag. This is on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. When flags no longer fly. Bitcoin whispers goodbye. Tricky place to get in. Tricky place to get in, but we found support on the 800 moving average on the 4 hours. I like that. Just going to follow those trend lines here. So we got a third trend line, third angle forming here. This will probably be the one that gets broken. Third one usually is. One hump, two hump, three hump, and then a dump. It looks like we're going for a lower low, if you ask me. So I would be looking about right up here and possibly higher, 679 locally. Is that worth a play? It's a buy high, sell higher, risky ass play, 13%. Here on the 4 hour, she looks a little bit exhausted, a little tired. Money flows to the greens, which can still work for her favor, but we may go green dot, red dot, and all that. I mean, we could still go up or we could roll over. So you tell me it can go up, down, or something. I think it's got one more move in it. Is it worth it? Not usually the ones I want to play here. Now here we're coming in on the 1 hour, and it's saying, let's do this thing. I could take his trade. Is it really worth it? Can you make it up there, darling? Could you? Well, we play something a little bit more local here. What we got? Oh, you're not. Are you? That's it. I've got an 8 equals CD that could take us right there. It's above a 9 just now after a breakout. It's ticking my boxes for one to play. Let's see what the trade setup looks like for this guy. What does that look like? Well, that's a short. Not short, and this will be for a long. So right up here, it's what, 13% gains. And I would do a tight stop loss. Give me some wiggle room on my trend line. I want to take it to the very extremes for stop loss purposes. Oh, snap. Wicks to wicks, so my stop loss, I want below that. Right underneath our candle here, so how deep do you go? Pretty dang deep. To 563. So I can't go too crazy on my position. It's a 2, almost a 3 to 1. Right at 3 to 1. That's worth taking something on. It's 11-11, ladies and gentlemen. 11-11. Well, holy crap, River, you're doing pretty good. River is $20.29 at the moment. Gotta put a stop loss in on that little booger. There we go. So the 1 hour, what are you doing? Let's come down to the 15 minute if I'm looking for an entry and I'm looking at making this play. Hey, you're coming down. I think it will come down a little bit. This is looking a little sketchy. 6 minute. I don't like these entries. These are a little bit too risky. But I do think it's got higher to go. I got my risk under control. I can take a small little nibble on this one. It's not the greatest setup to look for, but it's still got some legs, possibly. Alright, I can't take that one on my tiny account because it's asking me to put too much up with my tiny account. So I don't think that's a trade for me on this one. My other one sucks. River, however. What are you doing over here? You trying to get up above that? You trying to get back over there? You did a nice little double bottom here. Support resistance. Right there, testing that. I got a possible breakout idea that we're looking at right now. That's what we're looking at for River. Support line right here. That one's a good setup. I'm already in it. Looks like I might be better off just trying to add to my position here. That should be a take, especially since I'm already up in profit on that one. I'm at 51% on that one. I should play that one, and I can work with that one. Oh, I think you just got me, didn't you? Cool. Alright, well, let's keep on the moving here. Let me come back to the chat. Trader time. Feel like an old man, though. Wasn't always single at one time. You know, we might be going up tomorrow. I'm seeing a lot of turning over overnight to the upside. I bet move up on CPI news and ball after that one. Maybe. I mean, this looks bullish on River. And what did we just see on Bitcoin? Bitcoin's looking a little on 6 minute. 6 minute resistance here. Whoa, 6 minute. Look at the moving averages here. This is what I like. We just had a ribbon flip on the 6 minute. Wonder if we can reach that before tomorrow. 92.8. And is that a breakout? We got a breakout right now? Yes! We got a breakout. Let's go down to the 1 minute chart here. A breakout on the 1 minute. Man, you got work to do on these moving averages, though. Oh, gosh. We take the big ones off, right? And this looks good. This looks great, right? You're looking at the 5 moving averages, and you're like, they're flipping. It's flipping bullish. It's above a green cloud. That looks awesome. Broke out above the non-moving average. I'm on the 1 minute, too. This is awesome. And it looks great. And then the whole ribbon, the 100 is coming above there. Now, remember this thing about when that happens, whatever time frames, 2 out of 3 times, you're going to drop. When this one crosses that one 2 out of 3 times, you are going to drop, I have found. Doesn't have to drop by very much, but it usually comes back and ends up touching that at some point. Hey, I hope it doesn't happen on this one. But okay, so these look good, and eventually they're going to flip, and it's total bullish. They flipped, and it's bullish on the 1 minute. But when I pull out the bigger moving averages, those bigger moving averages, yeah, now they're. Lucy just dumped on the 100, so there's going to be some resistance. So I can see it's going up if we do keep going up, and it doesn't just drop now. You jump it over the 362 and the 200. But wherever we get, we probably take out a higher high. That should be what we're doing. We should be going for this guy. But then I'll see a pullback from that. Okay, so I kind of like. Yeah, Bitcoin's looking bullish. 2 out of 3 times that does come back, but I don't think this is going to. This may not be that 2 out of 3 times. This may be that lucky third, where she goes up a little bit more. So, our targets. You're at the 382. This is even juicier. So we're getting above the. We got rejected. We've been rejected several times off this area right here, right? And right here, and now we're breaking up. That's bullish, man. So short term, here we're on the 1 minute. I would look for us going up to at least 91.7 now. I think I want to add to my Bitcoin trade. I don't think I have very much to add to my Bitcoin trade. Oh my gosh. Holy crap shot, River. I'm up on that little guy. Let's go over here to the This is Ave. Hey, shout out to you, Ave. Nice trade here. I had a good trade on. Why do these not work? There we go. There we go. Nice trade on this. What was it? It was where is it? Oh, IP. It's on IP. 231% there. Got in at $2 and got out at 243. 231% gains. Congratulations, my man. That's awesome. What is this? I thought I just posted mine over there. Did I not? This is one I had from River. That was one of the. I just posted one over there. I think I missed it for some reason. Is that it? You always have. Oh well. It's not showing up for some reason. I just posted one. But congratulations, Ave. Okay, so look, man, we're going up a little bit there. I made $4 whole on my trade on that little tiny account. Woo-hoo. I'm an old lady. I mean, I could identify one from now on, I suppose. Law. God bless America. I'm sorry. America. Cigar Degens says, look at Ada. It's about to fly. Really? Somehow it's hard for me to imagine Cardano flying, but I hope that's true. No, in the 1 minute. let's zoom out. Well, let's zoom out. Okay. I don't see about to fly, but let me get rid of some of these guys here. Oh, that's a.
They whispered sweet games in the glow of the screen, from the dip to the pump. The wildest I've seen held through the
I see a situation where it could come down to it was at 38, right? Or it could come down to 37.70. Not a big deal. This is on the daily. What's the 4 hour look like? Okay, this is good. However, we're still in that green cloud thing. The green one's not good to be in. I don't like that. Is that a support resistance area? So yeah, this area could hold as support. Again, coming down just a little bit. That one's got about 38 cents right here to retest this area. Now this particular idea here is for a local pattern. Those are pretty cool. Those usually break up to 64% of the time, according to Thomas Bukowski, where it's level right angle over here and then descending on the bottom. And looks like it met its measured move really nice. So coming back to retest that's normal. That is total normal. So I think it's got a little bit to work with. I don't see it ready to just pop off just yet. I kind of think it's going to work out here, but it does look like it can get some traction for that. And then if it can just break out from there, take us up for a new higher high, and that's perfect. That's some nice confluence for this idea. Which makes me think that, oh, put that back. Let's try and move this. Well, what are you? Huh. Playing around with a few ideas here. Some interesting ideas there. Okay. I can see 50 cents coming if things happen. Got the 100 crossing the 200, and you're right at it right there, so it doesn't have no reason to say it 2 or 3 times. This will come back to it. It's right there, so I hope we'll get that bounce there, but it does have some work to go through on Cardano, I see on the 4 hour. But good overall. It's better than nothing, right? If this area can hold, this 37, 38 cent area can hold. Twist the 49.50 mark, which it does need to break to go up further. There's something else over there. Support resistance flip area right here, right above this guy right here at 48. I would say we didn't do what we normally do, which we got the wick there. I got to go from this. Let's pull the old fibs out. Red line is our accumulation zone. And what? Measure move comes right in between our two main targets there. Let's go ahead and just put this one on here. As our little bonus, we'll leave our measure move thing idea to play. I'll put it purple so I know it's a measure move. Possibility 50 to 58 cents. Cardano. I haven't posted anything tonight. Shame on me. Alright, so I got support holds. We got some decent upside local targets there, 50 and 58 cents. So you'd be playing that. Some people, well, they'd be playing it like a flag, I guess. And it's not if you wait for the breakout and any confirmations, but it looks like it's going to kind of round out to me. I'm good. Let's see what happens here. Be aware that your MACD just now flipped bearish here on the 4 hour. Just saying. She just now flipped bearish here on the 4 hour. So 38 coming down to almost a penny. Might happen. I was hoping for just a tad more. H opens in 5 minutes. Give about 15 minutes. H should already be open. Tokyo opens about 8 p.m. or used to. London opens about 3 a.m. my time. Unless everything's just changed. My little list is a little... I don't know, there's something going on. You'll give us our here. With CPI data coming out tomorrow here in the U.S. is going to throw markets off and everything. I don't know why it's not showing over here now. Maybe I have to put it on the daily. Maybe I have to put it on Bitcoin. It will show it down here. Still, we got a green dot on Bitcoin saying, hey, baby, let's see if we can take it up tonight. Set us up for tomorrow. I like this, though. This looks nice. This almost looks sexy, almost. On the daily. But everything else is looking good. Oh, yeah, duck lips. That's not bad. It's got some... a little bit more behind it than what I expected, actually. I didn't mean to do that. Bow chicka bow wow. Boom chicka bow wow. Strigger says game over. David Gallup, how's it going? Nice to have you. We've got 9 people hanging out. Thank you for being here. Well, alright, I don't see any more coin requests. You guys don't ask for very many coins anymore. I wonder why that is. I'm just going, you have to look what I'm going to look at then, which is Dash on the 4 hour, which is what are you doing now? Oh, shaboom. Oh, shaboom. Are you? Whoa. Let me get rid of some of these lines. Get some of the lines. You actually went deeper. Where did you come down to? Which one did you? That was the 7. You went 8. You went full on. You would have qualified for 8. Gotcha. That's still qualified. This is Dash. Now it's back up at 45 after coming down to 37. We were looking. What was it? We can back it up, and I forgot, but it was around 38 who we were looking at. And following the harmonic pattern traders, the ones that rely on using this tool, especially when you study what they say about it reaches target area and then it goes through like an accumulation or something. It's got a little range, a little fuzzy range down here with these fibs that it can technically still work out if it doesn't have to hit the exact little fib. They give it a lot of fuzzy wuzzy room. But that's nice. Now we're right back up to the 800 moving average. You go, Dash. Oh, crap. So this turns into a bear trap with what we look for outside of this pattern. Coming back, we had this trend line. It got out of it, came back into it, and then that's what we like about bear traps, man. That's why it's part of our strategies around here to try to catch those guys, because this can happen. Well, all right. So let's... I got the measure move from something. I don't know how old these targets are. So I want to recalculate the new targets for Dash here. Which I think... Okay, we got you focused on probably here. Yeah. So 48, right at $49. Probably will go right up to 50, honestly, but... General good area there, $57 coming in. Dash looks interesting to me. So we got a double bottom situation going on here at support. Definitely in its accumulation zone. That's nice. This is on the 4 hour. Still got work to do, so getting past 50 is going to be a struggle for it. But that's a nice move today out of you, Dash. Shout out to Dash. I mean, look at that. This is on the 1 hour candle right there. There we go. I gotta come over to my position over here. Wait a minute. Because I got one over on Coin. There you are, CoinEx. Oh wow. Have you hit me targets? Oh, have you? Oh, I gotta put a few more targets in here, people.
Road Dawg Crypto, you stole away my heart.
Take just a wee bit profit right here too. Nice. Well, thank you, Dash, for making Daddy a little bit more happier today. Maybe I should set some trailing stop losses on that little guy. There we go. Nice. Account management was right there. All these moving averages are down here right around $40. There's a good chance we will see that area again. I'm just saying. Maybe it goes up to 48 before it does it, but I'm just saying. You're at a resistance area right now. 886 Fibonacci area. If I'd had that earlier, we could come here and say, look, nailed it. Kinda. So there might be a short idea for some people, although with this Ichimoku cloud, I don't know that I would, I don't know if I'd try it just yet. She might have a little something. She might have a little something right there, man. She might be going for that 113, right? That higher high. Or let's put the 113 up here. See how it reacts over there. That is at that's at $48. Just a little over 48. If we're not going to roll over here, that's the first place I look at. Now, that might be a short idea there. Back down to these areas are about 41, 40, 50, something like that. If it goes up there, we can shorten down. That's about 14% gains. However, to get up there from here is only about 7%, and you got no guarantee she wants to do that just yet, right? Here on the 1 minute, it looks like, oh man, we're losing all our moving averages, man. What's going on? You were doing so good, and then you lost it. You lost your trend line, baby. What's up with you, Dash? You rolling over on us. Just saying.
I was lost in the night till your stream
Hey, it's time for some good ass coffee.
Road Dawg Crypto,
21 people hanging out with the mild tunes tonight. Taking a trip back to the old style music, the old standards of the 40s and the 50s. IP is up even more than Dash. You know, we didn't look at IP. Let's go look at IP. Ooh, look at you. Well, my goodness, Dash, you just exceeded my expectations. Where the hell were you? You're at $1.69. You're at $2.16. You did good. You did good. What's up with you? How you doing? What are you doing later tonight, Dash? I'm just saying. You gonna kick it? I'll let you go scroll through Netflix. Oh man. So gosh darn it, coulda, woulda, shoulda bought something right here at $2 because now it's $3. If only there was something that would let me know when there's a good time to buy something like that. If only there was some kind of Fibonacci zone that would tell me when to buy something like that before it goes crazy.
Make it rain.
Gosh darn it. $3.69, really? IP, you trying to do something over here, right? This is the 4 hour, man. Let's see if we can draw a trend line over here, because it's got a strong one. Oh, hell yeah. Wait a minute. This might be a buy high, sell higher play, man. That's 22%. That's 22%. That's 22%. From where we are now, stop loss right under here. That's reasonable. That's 5% stop loss. 4 to 1 risk to reward ratio. 4 to 1 risk to reward ratio. 4.4 actually. This is on a 15-minute time frame. Are you available over here? Are you for real?
Yeah, you know what it is.
Oh, okay. I think so.
Boys try to rush me, think they're so slick, but baby,
Oh, I'm on the wrong. I was trying to look at Ourbit. I'm trying to find something over here on the Ourbit. So IP, there you are, 298. Are ya? I don't want 20x though. It always starts at 20x. What the hell's wrong with that? We're at 298. I might go. Okay. I took that little sucker. So stop loss is I'm going with 280, 279, because 80 is a psychological support area or psychological number, and easy to type in 80 for your bot to go or stop losses or whatever. It's 79 gives me just a little bit of an edge. Take profit at 369. Take profit at 367-ish. That could be 229% for the leverage that I'm using. I'm using 10x leverage on this one. I'm on it. I got that one. It may not work. Now, this could be triple tops. Here's where we'll start talking next. No. But I like the reason I did is because I like the trend line it's holding here. It actually deviated. We started kind of like this. Okay, that's better. Right there, right there. So it might fall back to like 290, 291, something like that. It might be making a lower high. I'm taking a chance on that. I'm taking a chance on that. But I think she's got a chance to go just a wee bit higher. It beguiled me. We got a green dot here. Is there bearish divergence? There was until now. Now it's kind of leveled out. I hope this works. I hope I didn't just buy the top, but we gotta stop. We gotta stop loss. Or did I just bought the top? Probably did. It's buy high, sell higher. I don't like that. Max Fierce says Anita Cho. How you doing, Anita? Let's take a look at ladies for Anita. How's it doing? Was it KuCoin? KuCoin? Were we looking at it? I think so. Oh! I'm on the 1 hour? It had a great little day there, that higher high. It just came a little shy of my target. You suck, Road Dawg! Just right at it, but just no cigar. Just a fraction, just a turtle's hair. A cooter's hair of getting there. Sorry. We might have something here, but it's too early to tell. But we don't have angle. Let's go from bodies. Oh, that's nice. Where we on the 4 hour and we got a nice little green candle right there bouncing off of it. Okay, that's good. It looks a little shaky now. I hope it doesn't lose and go down any lower. It could come back down to these areas, but hopefully we're getting something here. 4 hour just printed a green dot here, so that's good. And then what's this? Let's see if we can get something positive here on the MACD. Nice pullback, says Scar Jessica. I was just about to say Rose. Law? Anything for say? Looks about the same as that one. There's not a triple bottom idea here. Trend line. Ooh, we got one. Dang, I think we're back in a channel. I'll be looking at the bottom of the channel. Let's see what kind of fibs you got down there. That's a 618, okay. Let's see if we can get a pullback to this 618, 11.70, 0.1170, 11.7 cents. Did have, what happened here? The 100 crossed the, here we are, 100 crossed the 200, and then it came down. It topped back to the 200 there. It doesn't have to touch this, but I would feel better if it did. Just saying. And if it do, I'm looking for 14.4 cents and 14.8 cents.
In the sky, one click on the app, crypto caught my eye. Bought that first coin, felt the rush like from the daily grind.
So I kind of like that idea.
Crypto's the beat making me stand tall. Crypto rock and roll. Oh yeah, let it swing. Tips to the pumps. Hear the freedom ring. Crypto rock and roll. Feel the good.
Somebody said Rose. I'm just going to take it as the crypto. Which is doing pretty good on the 4 hour. Look at you. Well, we had this. Lost that little guy, so that's saying that right up here, immediately above it, 14.8 cents is definitely some resistance. Well, you don't think we can get there? It's just right up above us. It's like we got a steep channel idea going on here. Looks like we had this little sideways action here that was a channel we broke out of it. Looks like you can just take a measure move from that and get one target area. I'd take it all. Measure move is telling us that 1369. That's a 69. Measure move tells us that we can do that. However, you know, what if we zoom out and just see what the fibs say? Fibs agree with that 13% area right there at 13. 13 cent 74 area. They also like it right up here with Miss Lucy, where she's hanging out at almost 14 cents. They're going to probably get a little hiccup around 1851, but we're going to still look for the sweet spot right here for this guy at 20 cents.
Let's ride this crypto trip. I was feeling like a king, stacking again so high. All cold moon a wild underneath.
That's only 10% to our first target. The second one is kind of good, though. It's about 29% to the second target. I'll take this idea. It's a 4-hour.
Watch the moonshot grow. Road Dawg's a way to go.
This is 4-hour. I think this is Origin. Is that right? I'll just leave it as Rose.
Call the Road Dawg name. The coast is twisting, but we on the ride. With the pack on my side. Yeah, the coast is wild. Makes a grown man.
So we hold support. These are some great take profit targets on a swing trade.
Watch the moonshot grow. Road Dawg's a way to go.
Weekly green dot. Was that on ladies? Did we see that the other day? Oh, we had one. Had one confirmed over here. Oh, I'm not on the right one, right? Got one on the 2 week. I see that one just printing off right here. That's good. Got snake eyes down here. That's usually... Oh, I hope this works out really good for you, Anita. My little bag is on high. Oh, look at that. What's this? What's this? What's this? Look at this. Look at the MACD on the 2 week trying to get ready to cross here. Hopefully, cross our fingers right here. Give this thing about 6 weeks and I think you're going to be a lot happier. I think we can see, oh, that's what, 200% gains up there? See, I'm sorry, I did hear one earlier. Let's go. Thank you for the reminder. King Hal, how's it going, my man? Thank you so much. Arc is AI. Rick, please try that. Gotcha. Sorry I didn't see that. My bad. You can ask for another one if you want. Well, I'm on the 2 week because that's what we just left off of. But while we're here, it's above the 9 and the 21. And the 9 looks like it's getting ready to cross. That's bullish. Since we are here, let me just go ahead and pull my fibs. Don't have to do as much scrolling that way when we go down the smaller time frames.
Now listen here, Daddy, oh, don't you panic and sell. Big bullets coming, yeah, the story's gonna tell. Hold on to your britches, keep your cool stand.
I'm going to lay out my 236 fibs. Alright, I'm going to walk down to the weekly. You're above the 9 moving average. Oh, my channel. That means I can't say nothing bad about it. We always want to be above that 9 moving average, so can't bitch about that. Coming into the 50 to test it, and that's at 5, almost 5.5 cents. I want to preemptively go from the wick to the bodies and draw a trend line. I want to take it down to the daily now. And I'll probably tweak my trend line a little bit here. Nice. So it's in a little consolidation range. Moving averages have all flipped. We got our bigger ones on? Yeah, they're just not showing up yet. Support over here. So we should be coming back toward 11 cents. Kind of rounding out a little bit. I like that. So you can make an argument that you got to break out, even if you just go like this. Some people might be looking at it more like this or like this. Either way, on all the ways you got breakout. Oh, when you don't have a breakout from is the one over here going to horizontal, or that one. That looks good. That looks good. Pullback was a 618. Yeah. This is ARC. I kind of like that. Okay, we flip the ribbon. Let's go to the 4 hour. It had a red dot there. It pulled back. Stochastics reset, and it just basically went sideways. Complete ribbon flip here on the 4 hour. That looks kind of juicy. What was ARC? I forgot what ARC is. Let me come over here and take a look at it. ARC. Let's see the tokenomics and all this stuff. It's not ARC block. AI rig complex. You said that. AI rig complex. $49 million market cap. A little under $1 billion total supply. Solana. ARC.fun. ARC tokens can be traded. What are you? There's no. It's not a pump.fun, is it? It's a pump.fun coin. Oh, it's the same as a meme coin then. Or I mean, they could give it value. Trying to do that with the ones, the two that we have. Although. See, because it's on pump.fun, I would. I mean, that's great. They took the extra effort to do that. Intercomplex, what is it? We take the red pill, then the blue pill. I enter the complex and you just take me down lower. Explore. Discover core components of our ecosystem and how they work together, power AI applications and semantics. Okay, so somebody's trying to tie AI to a pump fund coin, and I guess they can do it, but does it really? Can you not access these as well without the coin? How's the coin used? I don't know if it's as strong of an AI play as I would like it to be, but she's moving right now to 8.2 cents, and I'm going to see if it's on the exchange for Degens, which is because I think I might want to play this little play here. ARC is there. I don't want 20x leverage though, do I? Well, it depends. Maybe if I can put $1 in. I can put $1. Holy crap, shoots. Yeah, I'm still in this, but my river trade I just got into just recently. I got in around this average price of $19.79. It's at 21 right now, so up 120% on that. I'm using 15x leverage on it. That's cool. That's a nice little switch of events there. So we're up 120% of the margin that I have actually in on that trade is what we got right now. Might not be a bad time to take a little bit of profit. Let me see if I'm in a good area to do that instead of just randomly doing it because I'm up. Although it's not a bad idea, I just want to see if we're at an area. Looks like we are 786 area. Almost 2256. You think? Let me set a little target. Where'd you go, River? You got us at 2042. There's a little bit of a difference there. Well, shoot, now you're pulling back. What the hell? I was on the 4 hour. That is pretty strong. That's nice. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close a little bit of that. 25%. I need that. I need that gain. Still looking kind of juicy though. Thank you, King Cal, for the super chat for art, which just got off of right there. So I got in a very small play on this one because with my very small account, I need to set my targets. I didn't do that. Which I'm going for the 8.2 area right there. Is that right? Oh crap, that's gonna... Dude, you give me 1200% on that. I got it typed in right. Hell yeah, I'm taking that. That's a pretty 66% gains, man. Whoa! Crypto just dropped a super chat sticker. Thanks for the fuel. Oh yeah, thank you, King Hell. Thank you much. If there's anything else you want to take a look at, I'll be happy to do it. Nightbot says lively or night live nightly at 10:30ish p.m. How long have we been going? Almost our 2 hour mark. 26 people hanging out. Thank you for being here, everybody. Slowly we're growing. Steadily we're growing.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Chili's. They've got those soccer coins out, right? And they do better than Chili's does. Holy crap, you're at 5 cents now. This thing has been a lot higher than 5 cents. This thing has been a lot higher than 30 cents. Yeah, this thing was up at 92. Where she topped out. Oh, told ya. Well, that didn't happen, dumbass. She was going parabolic over here, nice rounded bottom. And she came back all the way back to zero, and I haven't looked at it since then. Came back up and then lost everything. You're Flectro, Doc. But she's definitely squeezing down. Can't deny that. Candle bodies. If we take it up to that one, she's just now starting to get a breakout. On the weekly. On the 3-day, we're approaching the 200, so resistance there. She's had a nice move there. Let's go to the daily. The daily. Okay, she was above the 800, and it's trying to make a move, but they don't go too far from the 800, so I would be looking for possible take profit idea somewhere around here.
They say it's like a promise.
Pullbacks to test 4.6 cents should probably be expected at some point, maybe even lower, but let's see what we can do there. What else we got going on over here? Well, it'd be cool if this kind of pinpoints the time that it would do it, or the area that would do it. When is this? When is this? This is on... That's February, dude. I was connecting some dots. Doesn't mean anything's going to happen. It's just sometimes they hit, sometimes a lot of times they don't. Nice. First area of resistance is what we're at right now. This is definitely a good place to get paid a little bit if you've been in it. Right under 10 cents at 9.8. These are just the old standards, which work extremely well. So it's right now at resistance, man. So it's either going to make it or break it. I would say the 200 moving average being down here. It's still got the 800, 600, 300, and the 200 bearishly lined up. So we'll probably be coming back to talk to those guys. More than likely somewhere. It could be as low as 35. Hopefully not. She looking bellish. Let's go to 4 hours. See what 4 hour looks like. Oh, that's where we have them down here, about 36. Nice. Are you still trying to go here, though? It is still trying to go. So what I'll be watching for is just if we get break above this area, about the 5.5 cent area, and if we start consolidating there, we might continue to go on up, man. Chile's looking awesome. I wouldn't be opening the trade here. Some people will be trying to short this, and there might be a short to be had here. I'm just not sure that I see bearish divergence here on the 2 hour. Makes me want to try to short it, but I'm not confident that it wouldn't take me out. I'm not confident that it wouldn't at 5.5 cents, but I don't think I got anything to work with over there, do I? CoinX, I can do it over here. But if she were to pull back, where would you be pulling back to, baby? Moving averages have flipped on the 1 hour. That's good. Basically back to about 44. Is it worth taking a trade like that? 14, 16% gains? Maybe. I just don't see that you're quite ready to do it just yet. Unless we come down to the 1 minute and then, can we trust it?
Road dog in the pocket, leading the way from the jukebox dreams to the digital swing. Road dog's the crew that makes.
So you just might come right back down here to 5.2 and bounce. This actually looks kind of strong. So she's coming down. I just don't trust it for how far for a short. But definitely at a take profit area. That's one of the things we look at here in the show. Ladies and gentlemen, 23 people hanging out with me. Thank you so much for being here tonight. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin as she continues on these small time frames to just amaze us with a little bit of more bullishness than sideways. So that's good. We've cleared an area here on the 6 minute, this little area right there, giving us a nice little W shape going on right there. Oh my gosh! I'm so sorry. Luckily, we are a late night show, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just so sorry you had to see that. Close your eyes. Don't get offended. Oh man, you're losing your effect over here, man. This is taking too long, dude. Sean. Yeah, well, the funny part's already over. We're slapping a bra on this one. We want to give it all the support that it needs so that it can reach our bra strap area. Right over here. Cover them puppies up. Oh, that's a little too much there.
Now, folks, this here's a sad
I need to come and take out all them highs for real.
He just can't help himself when the prices go low.
Some resistance right over here, though. Right around the armpit area, I believe. We'll see what happens over here. So we're headed toward 92. Hopefully 92, 7-ish, 6-ish. That's what we need to see right there. Or Bitcoin. Well, that's a nice, weird place to leave the stream, I think, as we're starting to curve up a little bit. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. We're going to the end screen, listen to a few tunes over there, catch up on the chat, and that's all I got tonight. We'll have different music tomorrow night. I just had to kind of cycle through my 40s and 50s tunes tonight.
Boys try to rush me, think they're so slick, but baby, this cooter ain't no quick trick. Pet it, tease and make it worth the wait. Cooter after dark, see
a little cowbell.
One lick, one ping, feel the thrill ignite. Cooter after dark, pure delight. Cause every move I make is perfect from the start to the end. You wanna taste the rush, better play to win. Yeah, cause I'm all about that cooter. About that cooter, no tease. All about that cooter, please. All about that cooter, buy in. All about that cooter, yeah. Yeah. Turtles got the glow, green and glossy shine. Pet the fuzzy, make the moon align. One stroke on the shell and the heat runs deep. Cooter after dark, secrets we keep. Stack the thrill, watch the gains unfold. Cooter after dark,
right now?
more than gold.
Oh, he went late then.
Make is perfect from the start to the end. You wanna taste the rush?
HARATI Jewelry. Good to see you guys.
About that cooter, no tease. All about that cooter, please. All about that cooter, buy in. All about
Oh, did I screw up way too late?
Yeah.
Trade intuition right here. Oh, he streamed 2 hours ago.
I light a candle for every pump I missed. Little screenshot coffin laid out like this. From my winter black suit, carrying the weight of the coin that's now worth a house and a date. I stand at the grave in my pajamas and socks, crying over pixels while I sip cheap coffee. FOMO funeral, ding dong, missed it again. Ding dong, FOMO funeral.
Oh, cool.
Ding dong, missed it again. Ding dong, another green spike, another funeral bell. Another should have bought, another private hell. I bury the hope, I bury the dream, I bury the chance to be on the winning team. The eulogy short, just a sigh and a shrug. Another pump gone, another missed drug. FOMO funeral, ding dong, missed it again. Ding dong, FOMO funeral, ding dong, missed it again. Ding dong, I could close the app, I could go to sleep, I could do anything, but I'm here mourning coins that never knew.
You've got a channel, HARATI?
Hoping 20
I wasn't familiar with that.
brings a resurrection game. FOMO funeral, ding dong, missed it again. Ding dong, FOMO funeral, ding dong, missed it again. Ding dong.
What is your channel name?
Ding dong.
I'm not getting anything.
It's soon enough to sell.
The art of crypto.
I bought the top on Tuesday, thought I'd ride it to the stars. But Wednesday morning came and it dropped below the bars. I said I'll hold forever with a hopeful little grin. But by Friday afternoon I was dumping
Is
it
this the
again.
one?
I saw the red candles dancing
Or this
like a devil
one right
in
here.
a flame.
With an 8 after it.
And I
There we
told
go. There we go.
myself real softly,
Oh, okay. I've seen Joe talk about you.
it's just a game.
Well, cool.
Mañana, mañana,
Well, let's
it's
subscribe.
enough to sell.
Support him.
Mañana,
He's got
I'll get
100.
out of this hell. Tomorrow I'll be smart.
The Art of Crypto has under 125 subscribers. Maybe we'll have a few more. We got 19 people right now. Maybe we can give you another 19. That would be awesome. 64 videos. Go check him out. I hear some good things about him. I haven't seen him yet, but I heard Joe said he got some fire-ass videos out explaining this stuff. And so we got 64 videos just starting. Show some love.
Thought it was going
Can't make it any other way unless you share the love
But
here on
the
YouTube.
pump turned into nothing, just a little afternoon. I sold at the bottom, cried a little bit inside. Then
That's the videos. Here's the that's what he said. You've been doing some lives lately, right? Yeah. Here's your live streams. Yeah. Shout out for the live streams.
thought he knew the way, but he's driving a Lambo, and I'm the one who
Shout out to the Art of Crypto. Let's take that. It may already. If somebody already did it. That's cool. Let's post it over here. Let's make it easy for people to find you there. All you gotta do is click on that right there.
It's soon enough to sell.
You're not Asian.
I tell myself I'm learning and tell myself I'll change, but every time the chart dips I do the same old thing. I wait for the rebound, I'll wait for the sign, but the rebound never comes and the loss is always mine.
You out to the newbies of 2026? There we go.
It's soon enough to sell. Mañana, I'll get out of this hell. Tomorrow I'll be smarter. Tomorrow I'll be wise. But today I'm just a fool with stars in my eyes.
Cool.
Mañana. It's soon enough to sell. Mañana,
Good night, Anita. Thanks for hanging out.
mañana.
Which one is this? The funky one or not? This is the.
Candles,
This is the slower one.
fucking candles. Why can't you tell me up or down next? Green or red next? Fucking candles. Fucking candles. Why? Is it spare or one more high? Is it spare or one more high?
Bitcoin on the 1 minute. Going up.
One more high.
One more high.
Fucking candles. Fucking candles.
River's coming down. Did you get me?
Fucking candles.
The shopping cart. I don't know if I know that one. That was a lawnmower that I was trying to do. Oh, shoot, I'm still on here. I didn't know that. I thought I was off the camera. I'm sitting here.
This is how it's fun talking the biting drill. Bought the dip on Tuesday, sold on Wednesday. Chart went sideways, now I'm sideways. Thought I'd be a whale, ended up a minnow. Wallets in the blender, call it crypto limbo. Tried to read the candles, they just laughed. Bought the rumor, sold the shaft. End of year was smooth, now it's choppy seas. Wallets on the deck, begging for a breeze.
The market's drunk, sentiments a shrug. I'm the sober one, holding the mug.
Drown in the chalk, let the waves take the wheel. Wallets on the rocks, but I'm keeping it real. Ride the choppy tide, let the salt sting the eye. End of year's a shipwreck, but I'm still getting by. Friend said hold, I held too tight. Chart did a flip, now it's good night. Tried to sell the top, hit the wrong key. Bought the dip again, now it's me. Tried to call the bottom, missed by a mile. Wallets in the gutter, but I'm wearing a smile. End of year's a joke, laughing at the plan. Choppy water sinking, but I'm the punchline man.
The market's drunk, sentiments a shrug. I'm the sober one, holding the mug.
Drown in the chalk, let the waves take the wheel. Wallets on the rocks, but I'm keeping it real. Ride the choppy tide, let the salt sting the eye. End of year's a shipwreck, but I'm still getting by.
The tide's turning, maybe I'll float. Till then I'm sinking, but I wrote the note.
Drown in the chalk, let the waves take the wheel. Wallets on the rocks, but I'm keeping it real. Drown in the chalk, let the waves take the wheel. Wallets on the rocks, but I'm keeping it real.
Oh, you never ask.
Lights a moonlit flame. Ooh, smooth.
I'll hit you up on Tinder.
Bull runs my wave. I'm rewriting the game. Woo! Neon bull run lighting up the sky.
I'm a cooter.
Rising through the dark, I'm flying high. Yeah, yeah. Crypto's glow won't fade my soul. Ooh. Bull run shines, I found my goal. Woo! Neon bull run, run, run. Oh, oh. Rook pulls behind. I've broke their chains. Flipped the spark to gold. Washed away the stains. Markets are hung. Echoes in my core. Ooh, yeah. Moons lift me up. I'm craving more, yeah. Yeah. Dips turn to light. I'm riding this gleam. Every crash I dodge, every win supreme. Crypto's my rhythm flowing through my sight. Bull runs my dawn, burning up the night. Neon bull run lighting up the sky. Rising through the dark, I'm flying high. Yeah, yeah. Crypto's glow won't fade my soul. Bull run shines, I found my goal. Neon bull run, run, run. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, the neon lights ignite. Oh, yeah. Now I'm stacking stars, I've broke it all. Yeah, yeah. Crypto's my spark, my fight, my gleam. Bull runs my pulse, living the dream. Glow through the chaos, rise through the grind. Neon's my fire, I'm one of a kind. Neon bull run lighting up the sky. Rising through the dark, I'm flying high. Yeah, crypto's glow won't fade my soul. Bull run shines, I found my gold. Neon bull run, run, run. Oh, 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 yeah. Neon lights ignite. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Rising through the night. Neon bull run, run, run. Oh, oh.
Still love Harry Potter. Oh, I don't have one of those easy to label. Might try to get one ready for the next show or something. I haven't heard about that. Thank you everybody for hanging out. I appreciate you being here and spending your time, especially at the end screen, just hanging out, having a cool time listening to music. All kinds of counterbalancing going on with that turtle. Thank you guys for hanging out. I'll see you on the next one. God bless. Jesus loves you. Tread carefully. Somewhere the dog waves. The dog waves. There he is. Good night, John Boy.
Trade with me, stack them coins in the game with me. Roll through dips, keep it fly with me. Hey, hey, must be the crypto. If you wanna see the charts go green.